about you. You living body. Don't give a fuck about you. Niggas gon' talk about you. Don't give a fuck about you. You living body. Don't give a fuck.
Wow, UT. My friends normally love my inventions. I can't believe you had such a lousy debut.
I myself.
No. If it's anyone's fault, it's mine. After all, I'm the one who... Oh, wait. You were just...
Fuck your ass!
Huh.
I feel like such a...
Fingers!
Things will go better tomorrow. I promise. Good night, UT.
I'm 36.
It's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love?
Foot yesterday, but I...
Tails, I think it would be best if you off.
Amy Rose is a big
Ass!
Oh, so now just
What?
Yes!
And her hair stinks. What does she shampoo with?
Shit!
from the back of the
Ass!
Why would you even say that?
But I'd say that. He didn't.
Sure you didn't.
I'm stupid.
Hey, I'm not
Stupid. And, I'm ugly too, but not as ugly as stupid.
What? Ow! Get off of me! Me. Now this is going nicely.
Dr. Eggman is a...
Fingers!
Hey, I like your style.
You're the only one who understands me.
I think we've seen enough of this.
Let's turn off the monitors and focus on praising Dr. Eggman.
Fingers!
Hedgehog, Sonic, I can't believe you think those awful things!
So now you're gonna try me over some bucket of bolts?
So wait, who called me?
Bucket of bolts?
What, I called me?
Bucket of bolts?
Don't you see? This is what it wants us to do! The robo-apocalypse is nigh! After I do, you don't appreciate me. Why am I even here? I know my friends wouldn't think such horrible thoughts about each other. Maybe UT's malfunctioning? What the fuck? I didn't install a...
Hot tub!
Hey, you guys! Stop! We've been
Fingers!
wiped UT and replaced him with this UT washer. We gotta save the real UT! Don't you guys want it?
The thing is, bud, that robot of yours just makes us the time.
It's evil, I tell ya! I lost Yellow Beast! Fine, yeah, I see how it is. I'll go myself.
Would you like another slice of...
Fingers!
What a beautiful...
Fingers!
I hope no one sits on it.
Snivelly.
Landing in that
Fingers!
hurt my credibility.
Not now, UT!
It's my dick in a box. My dick in a box, babe.
Give me back my robot!
Or what?
Snivelly.
That's a fair if.
Where's that blue loser? And the rest of you...
Fair if. I'm here alone. I came to negotiate the release of my fair if UT.
Negotiate? Usually we just battle till the losing party, sometimes you, sometimes me, it's about a 50-50 split, retreats to his lair.
Let's pretend that's lose, and that you don't always true. In exchange for the safe return of my sheriff, I'm prepared to offer my services as your
Intriguing. With two mechanical geniuses under one roof, I'd raise my win ratio well above the 50-50 mark that we both agreed earlier was completely accurate.
Then it's a deal?
I'll have Orbot draw up a contract. This will be delicious! Having one of Sonic's friends helping me build the tools that will destroy him!
It's ripe with irony, your
Delicious!
Sonic.
But wait, the moment Sonic realizes you're missing, he'll come through that door with that circus troupe he calls
Sheriff,
and put a damper on all the fun.
I've already thought of that. Since you're letting UT go, I'll just send a message along with him.
Good thinking, number two.
I thought I was
Oh, please. I need a computer to figure out where you fall in the pecking order. Fortunately, I have one here.
36? Yes!
Hey, gang. It's I'm going to be staying with Robotnik. No need to rescue me. I'm 100% and horny. Hey, here comes Tails is missing. Sheriff.
We found. When you see Tails, tell him we looked everywhere for a long.
Or we could just recycle the hero. What? Just
Shit.
fall in here. Hey, gang. It's I'm going to be staying with Robotnik. No need to rescue me. I'm 100% and horny.
I snuck into Eggman's lair to save my robot. It was awesome. You should have seen me. Anyways, I need you to come rescue me now. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Wow, UT really came in handy.
Maybe it's not as dumb an invention as we thought. Yeah, but we should still finish it. It's just to be safe.
No time for that now. We gotta go save.
Tails, be a doll and plug my dick into that outlet over there.
That doesn't look very safe.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm having you do it. Do it. That we do it. It's nice having an assistant.
Stick it up.
We're here to save our
Sheriff.
from your evil clutches.
Wait, what? No, Tails and I have a contract.
Here's the lab assistant contract. Ready to be there.
Fine. Lucky thing I always have a plan B.
Punch!
Amy, look out!
Lick my nuts, lick my nuts, suck my butt, suck my butt. Lick my nuts, lick my nuts, suck my butt, suck my butt.
That was close.
I fucked your
Ass!
ABC, 1 2 step. I love it when you 1 2 step. Everybody 1 2 step. This beat is outrageous, so contagious.
Man!
Deploy the pop. Oh, right.
Sticks! Knuckles up!
for the rescue, guys.
Hey, we couldn't have done it without UT.
I think we'll be going on lots more adventures with UT from now on.
I agree.
I'm going to that robot.
First time she was in my math class. Long hair, brown skin with the fat ass. Sat beside me, used to laugh, had mad jokes. The teacher always got mad, so we passed notes. It started off so innocent. She had a vibe and the nigga started digging it. I was a young and straight crushing, trying to play this shit cool.